So I was scrolling through social media yesterday and I saw this interesting video from Alex Hormozzi. Let's watch it.
I just met a business owner who had one of the craziest stats I've ever heard. He was closing 55% of leads, not people he talked to, leads. And I was like, dude, how on earth are you doing that? And he's like, it's pretty simple. I pay one girl $60,000 a year to do nothing but just call leads within 60 seconds. And I was like, well, how many leads a day do you get? And he said 2 or 3. So I was like, hold on. You get 2 to 3 leads a day. And this person, do they do anything else? He said, no, they have no other responsibilities in the business besides whatever you're doing. You have to stop, put 10 notifications on your phone so that you never miss it, and then call them immediately. And so if you've ever needed a stronger reason to have someone dedicated to call your leads faster, let this story be it.
So it's a great story from Alex Hormozzi, and we know it's completely true. Speed to lead, it's very important. And if you manage to call within the first minute, it's going to be a determining factor whether you close the lead or not. But guess what? You can do that now with AI and AI voice agents. So we have Retell AI. This is a super powerful platform. It's becoming more and even better, and it can almost simulate human interactions. So you can train to your standard, your company, and your knowledge base. So it knows everything about your company and knows exactly what to say at every interaction of the conversation. So let's see in a simple flow how this will work. Let's say you receive a positive response from a sequence sending tool, and it can be Instantly, Smart Lead, or any other you're using. That will trigger a webhook, right? So the AI will automatically classify that this response is positive. And what we will try to do now is we will try to enrich the telephone contact. First, we will try to see if the phone is in the signature. If we manage to get the phone from the signature, and we use AI for this also, we will extract the phone. If not, then we will use a third tool provider, like Better Contact. Better Contact is very good for this. It scrapes from multiple sources, making sure you have the maximum chance of getting that telephone number, and it will try to enrich the phone number. Let's say we find it. So if we find it, or if we manage to extract it from the signature, then we will proceed to this last step, which is basically a Retell AI agent that you've created for your business will immediately call the lead. And it's not even going to be 60 seconds. It's going to be under 15 to 30 seconds that the lead is going to get the phone coming to their cell number. So that's the approach that this approach, I think it can really bring momentum to your business. Nobody right now is doing this in the market, and it's a very, very good idea. Obviously, if you cannot find the phone number by following these methods, then you need to try to push it to a human, and the human is going to try to find the phone numbers from different data sources. Hopefully, the human can find it, and then they will call the lead. But this is going to be a little bit of more researching process that we could not manage through the common sources that we have, and it's also going to take a little bit longer for the human to call. So I think this idea is great. I think if you're not doing these kind of things, you're missing out a lot of money in the table right now. So if you're interested in doing a project like this or something similar, DM me and we will see what we can do for you.